Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on the NOKIA T21. And to do this we'll need to find the slot, so it should be right here on the side where the camera is. Then take a needle, which also should be included in the box, and stick it in a gap right here. Slot should release, and now we can remove it. Okay. Again. It's very hard to remove, so it might take a bit. Okay, so here we have it, and it seems there's only one slot because there's only one SD card, SIM card right here. But I need to read that. But you can also put the second SIM slot right here in the slot where SD card is, but that would mean you wouldn't have any SD card in your tablet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.